In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. Whether you're organizing a team initiative or planning a solo project, this quick walkthrough will help you get set up with a clean, simple workflow. We'll start by creating a space, which is the home base for your project. Think of a space as a container that keeps everything related to this project together. In ClickUp, click the plus button for New Space, give your project a clear and recognizable name, and then select Create Space. Use a name that your team will instantly understand, so it's easy to find and reference later. Next, inside your new space, create a list where your tasks will live. Lists are great for grouping related work, like a main backlog or a phase of the project. Click New List, type in names such as Project Tasks, and click Create List. If you expect multiple phases, you can always add more lists later, but starting with one keeps things focused and manageable. Now, it's time to add tasks. Click the plus button for task, enter a concise, action-oriented task name, and press Enter to save. Keep task titles short but specific, like Draft Proposal or Review Design Update. Add as many tasks as you need to represent the work ahead. You can always refine names later, so don't worry about perfection at this stage. Once your tasks are in place, assign them so everyone knows who's responsible. Click a task, choose Assignee, and select the right person. Assigning ownership prevents confusion and helps team members see what's on their plate. If you're working solo, assign tasks to yourself to keep your to-do list clear and organized. After assigning, set due dates to give your project a timeline. Open the task, click Due Date, and choose a date that reflects realistic effort and any dependencies you're aware of. Due dates help prioritize the work and enable you to track what's coming up soon versus what can wait. To keep momentum, track progress using task statuses. You'll typically see statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. As work moves forward, drag tasks to the appropriate status. This visual movement makes it easy to spot bottlenecks and celebrate completed work. Make it a habit to update statuses as soon as things change. Consistent updates keep everyone aligned without extra meetings. And that's how you use ClickUp for project management. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical guides just like this.